You don't need to own your home to green your home. Here are 3 strategies that Marin renters and homeowners can pursue to save energy, improve air quality, and fight climate change.
Hi, my name is Gerald Little. I am the Regional Manager for Rising Sun Center for Opportunity's Climate Careers team, and I'm here to talk about Climate Careers' virtual energy efficiency program this fall. Our Green Housecalls program is a no-cost energy and water retrofitting service for homeowners and renters in Marin County, and we also serve all 9 Bay Area counties throughout Northern California. This program is completely funded through BayRen and through the CPUC. And it is a way for you to lower your energy and water costs at no charge to you. This program is available for both homeowners and renters in Marin County, and there is no income requirement to receive our program. Only disqualifiers is if you live in a mobile home or if you are in military housing. If you're interested in receiving an energy efficiency kit, fill out a quick 10 to 15 minute survey online, or you can call Rising Sun's direct line. After your survey is completed, you can expect your kit to arrive at your home within the next 2 weeks to a month. So now I'm going to explain what you're going to be receiving in your energy efficiency kit. First, you're going to receive some instructions on how to properly install some of the measures included in your kit. Then you will also receive a 1-pager about Rising Sun Center for Opportunity and Rising Sun's different programs. You will also receive BayRen Home Plus flyers in both English and Spanish. You will receive a number of Max Light LED 75-watt light bulbs. You will receive a number of TCP 65-watt floodlights in your energy efficiency kit. You will receive a low flow shower head rated at 1.5 gallons per minute. You will receive 2 aerators, one for your bathroom sink, highlighted in green, one kitchen sink aerator, highlighted in red. You will receive blue toilet dye tabs for testing for leaks. You'll receive 2 foam outlet gaskets. Also in your kit, you can receive 2 smart Wi-Fi plugs. This allows you to turn off appliances using your smartphone just by using the app that's connected to these 2 devices. You can opt in for these 2 measures, or you can select a smart power strip, which you can plug your large flat screen television in, and this is used to reduce phantom energy running towards the power strip and running towards the TV, so that way you can conserve energy when your TV is turned off. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you're interested in signing up for an energy efficiency kit. This is a great way for you to save energy and water on your next utility bills.
My name is Brian Reyes, and this is
Olivia.
and we've been living in this apartment for a little under 4 years. We've been renting. And today we're going to show you how we cook with an induction hob. But before that, we just want to tell you why we like it. First, it doesn't use gas. And with gas, it results in poor indoor air quality and impurities being put into the air. The other thing we like about the induction hob is the speed in which it cooks. Also, it's also safe for a 5-year-old. Lastly, we're doing our part to reduce our emissions when it comes to climate change. So, Olivia and I are gonna cook
Fried rice.
fried rice. It's Filipino style garlic fried rice. With garlic? Is that your favorite? Oh yeah. Okay, so we already prepped the rice and cooked it in an Instant Pot, another electric instrument. And what we're going to do is Olivia is going to turn on the power. And what number is it at?
5.
Number 5. Okay.
Diet.
Like you are. Okay, go ahead and put your oil in. So with wok cooking, the heat is really concentrated in the bottom pan, and the outside is lower heat. So Olivia, we can put our hands right here and tap it. Put your fingers right here, Olivia. Not too hot, right? The bottom of the pan is really hot. She's scooping all the rice to the center of the pan.
And that's, you have to get every
Every grain of rice, you must guess, yes. Don't be afraid in fried rice to get a nice crisp on the bottom. Another fun thing about induction cooking is it's easy to clean. What I like to do is, as we're cooking, is kind of clean the sides. I find that it's problematic or much tougher to clean our actual gas stove. So we have our induction hob lying over a gas stove using a baking pan as a flat surface. All right, Olivia, let's put in the garlic salt. A little bit at a time, do it together. Okay, that's enough. Okay, go ahead and then flip it around, turn it. There you go. So everyone are cooking, there you go. Okay, ramp up the temperature to number 8. 2 hits, 1, 2. One more. There you go. So as a renter, it's important to know that sometimes you don't have the power or the option to make an appliance change, number 1. Number 2 is the appliance change may be expensive, especially if you're looking for an entire stove. Simply can get a single hob cooktop from Amazon online for about $55, $60. Circle it on in. Alright, there you go. Makes it quick. So since we're modifying it with some soy sauce, let's get some other ingredients in there. We're going to put some frozen corn in there. Ready? Oh yeah.
Smells so good. Remember, cook fast when you put in other ingredients that are cold.
True. Okay, you want to ramp it up one more time? Hit the plus sign, increase the power on it. Remember, it goes all the way to number 10. Ah, there's the sizzle. All right. So let's go ahead and turn that off. All right. Now let's show everyone our garlic fried rice with soy sauce and corn. All right. Thank you everyone, and hope you enjoyed this demonstration on our induction single hob cooktop. Say bye, Olivia.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Wave at the camera.
Hi there. My name is Angela, and I am a renter with a little cottage in Forest Knolls. I am here today to talk to you about a program that I use that helps me save energy and fight climate change. OhmConnect is a program that I was turned on to about 3 years ago by a friend of mine who said, oh, hey, you know, Angela, I signed up for this thing. I think it would really be up your alley because it's a good way for you to find out about when to save energy really easily, and you can also win some prizes and make a little money doing it. So this OhmConnect program is something where you sign up online, super simple form to fill out, and somehow they connect with the power company. And they're able to see how much power or how many watts you're using on an hour-by-hour basis. One of the things that's really great is that OhmConnect will actually text me when the power grid is in danger of being overloaded, and they will say, okay, you know, this is a flash alert, and 2 hours from now we are going to have you save power for 1 hour, and during that hour you can save up to however many watts. For me, because I already have a very small carbon footprint and live in such a small cottage, sometimes it's maybe 130 watts that I can save. If you're a renter in a larger house, it might be 1,000 watts. It's really cool because then I can turn off all my lights, I can turn off my power strips, and sit and read during that hour. Or I can go to the gym, I can go for a walk out in West Marin and see the deer and enjoy the beautiful land where we all live. Then I get a text, usually I think a day later, telling me how many watts I saved, and I'm able to log into their system and see what that qualifies me for. So what I've been able to do over the past few years is convert those watts into money for gift cards, and that puts a little bit of money back in my pocket. And this is one small thing that I am doing, but if we all do it together, it becomes one big thing, right? And we're fighting climate change, and we're able to turn it into something nice for us individually. So the OhmConnect website is really easy to use. After you log in, you go to a page where you can see how many watts you've accrued. And for example, today I have 7,904 watts. It'll then show you what they call energy events, and that I've referred to as ohm hours. And for each ohm hour, it's going to tell you how many watts you saved, or oops, if you didn't save any at all. So for example, this last Wednesday, there was actually a 4-hour ohm hour. And that was because so much energy was being used in the state. And during that time, I was able to save 1,893 watts, which is great. And you'll find out why in just a second when we talk about rewards. But the day before, on Tuesday, I wasn't really paying attention and I didn't save any watts. In fact, I think because I was cooking that night, that's why I went over and I lost 70 watts from my system. Now on the rewards page, there are a couple of things going on here. They have this wheel that you can spin, and for every time you spin the wheel, it is 200 watts. When you spin, you could get anything from, say, $100 bonus to another free spin, or you might even win a little plug that you could use for any of your large appliances that would help you out during ohm hours. You might be able to plug in, say, for your refrigerator or for your large screen television if you have one, and then whenever there's an ohm hour, the system actually talks to that plug and it'll turn off that appliance for you, which is really cool. So thank you. I'm excited to have been able to talk with you today, and I hope that you will also check out OhmConnect and sign up for it if it looks good to you.